Hola amigos, vamos a hablar de indirect object pronouns. So, te regalo una flor. You guys remember the presents that we gave around Christmas time when we did the present unit? A regalo is a present. Well, regalar is to gift. So, I gift you a flower. So we're going to use these reflexive verbs. Te regalo una flor. This is una amiga de mía, one of my student teachers, and she was in Spain, and the name of the florist shop was Te regalo una flor. I gift you a flower. So in la clase de español, you guys remember from Español uno, me gusta, te gusta, le gusta, nos gusta, les gusta. It pleases me, it pleases you, it pleases he or her, he or she, right? It is pleasing to us, or we like, right? It is pleasing to them. And we translate these all as I like, you like, he likes, we like. Las flores is plural, right? So this one, la clase de español singular. So I like Spanish, you like Spanish, he likes Spanish. But we're not going to put an N on the end because they're singular. But if we have the N on the end, las flores me gustan, te gustan, le gustan las flores, nos gustan las flores, les gustan las flores. So you guys remember that. This is our review of Spanish 1. So we have me, te, le, nos, les. You remember these. So I want to say I give her a flower. So what little thing, if I wanted to conjugate dar for I would do doy, right? But if I want to give it to her, what would I put in front of it? If you had to pick one of those 5 little pieces of the words that we looked at. So we would say, yo le doy a manzana a ella. This is an emphatic phrase that we use to clarify who this le is referring to. You don't have to have it on there, but it's nice. So we're going to go through a bunch of these, and what you guys are going to do is conjugate dar, doy, das, da, damos, dan, give, and you're going to say who is receiving the apple, right? By these lovely pictures. So this is yo, and this is she. Okay? So here we have yo, dar, a ellos. So I give it to them. So I want you to think for a minute. How would you say I give it to them? I give the apple to them. And we have yo les doy la manzana. I give them the apple. Okay. So muy bien. Another one. Now I'm going to give it to you. This is like the title of the the florist shop. Yo te doy la manzana a ti. Muy bien. I bet you already got that. All right. We have I give it to them. I give them an apple. Yo les doy la manzana a ustedes. Sorry, to y'all, not to them. So another thing, you guys, I give them the apple. So what if you get sick of saying the apple? If you get sick of saying the apple, then you're going to use the word la to represent the apple. Yo la les doy. Well, at this point in Spanish, la les, they'll change the les to say. So sometimes you're going to see a say here, and I don't want you to think about that right now. Let's just keep clarifying with this. But les la, 2 L's in a row, are kind of awkward to say. So sometimes you'll use the little word part say for this. She gives me an apple. So you have ella me da la manzana a mí. The clarification emphatic phrases here. Da is conjugated to go with she gives, and then me is the what receives the action. A mí, a ti, a ella, a usted, a él, a nosotros. These are all our emphatic phrases. Review of Spanish 1. You and they give me an apple. How are you going to do that? Ustedes me dan la manzana a mí. Conjugate this to go with these guys. See? Who's receiving the action? Right there. Muy bien. You give me an apple. Tú me das la manzana a mí. Remember, emphatic phrases are optional. I think this is they give me an apple, or it could be y'all. We'll see which one. Yeah, they. Ustedes me dan la manzana a mí. Give that one a try. Les das la manzana a ellos. You give them the apple. They give you the apple. Te dan la manzana a ti. Muy bien. So, regalar significa to give as a gift, dar, to give, and pedir, to ask for. So you could do this with all of these. This is an interview to do with a friend, and if we were in class, I would give you all a whole bunch of those little ceramic pieces and leather pieces and gold and silver, all that stuff on my shelves, and we pass it around the class. And I would say to my friend, I'm going to give this artesanía, which is a handicraft, to you. And how would you say that in Spanish? You would say, te doy la artesanía de madera a ti. And then you would answer and say, oh, that's great. You gave me this artesanía. So anyway, if we were in class, we would practice, te doy esta artesanía de madera. Si me das esa artesanía. Está bien, gracias por regalarme. Thanks for gifting me this. And we would practice all of those words. So if you want to practice that with your family, that'd be awesome. Or get a friend online, you can practice. And that's the end of that. Thanks, guys.